Right. Oh, nice. So what have we got? New Planet Bike Park UK. Comments. Nice one, everyone. Woburn Trails. Gotta have revs in it. What else? Dove, Leeds Urban, Revolution, Twisted Oaks. Yeah, Inners, revs, Dove. Dove's coming up a lot. Warney's coming up a lot as well. Need to get going. See what we can do. Dove. Di-Fi. How do you spell it? Why am I having a mental block on that? Yeah, we're right. Nice. It's rough in places, isn't it? I reckon they'll be doing something.
How many fucking crews off that drop and landed?
Cheers, Henry. Too far down, they need looping round.
You ready, Tom?
No. Yeah, go.
Yeah, you're alright.
Nice
Good luck.
one.
Good luck.
Cheers. Whoa. Oh my god. What the hell is that? Oh my god. Alright. Did you jump that?
I just squashed it.
Yeah, I did. I need to get a bit faster. Woo. New setup. Oh, this looks mint with all black and whites on this side.
Well done, Tom.
Can't figure it out in middle.
You went to right. That took like
Faster.
Pumping
There's some big pumps in it.
Hey, dude.
left line. Left line.
Right.
Come on, Jamie!
Oh, mate, you've got it, you've got it.
Let's go!
That is a great surname.
It's my brand name, actually.
20 seconds or 10 seconds, you got any time in the beeps. You got any
Cheers,
time
mate.
in the beeps. Good luck.
Cheers, Paul.
Get going! Get going! Go, go, go!
Nice one.
George, give us one.
Greasy for you when you come down.
Just started raining.
You've got it.
We'll see you at bottom, pal.
Yeah.
Let's go, Tom! Go, 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 go!
Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Next up is Tom, Midpack Rider.
Fuck. Cheers, man. What? Faster?
Yeah, you got that 3.5 seconds quicker.
125, oh, I'm happy with that.